Hi there everybody, welcome to the channel. We're going over the Viltrox extension tubes right here. And this is for Z mount, Nikon Z mount. The part number is DG Z. And it's not too bad of a price. It comes with a 12mm and 24mm extension tube, and of course you can put them together for increased magnification for whatever lens you're putting them on. So we're going to get them out of the box and see what it looks like. So they're packaged pretty well inside this little foam box, you can see. So whenever we're looking at the extension tubes, you have these little trigger buttons right here. You use those to press down, and then you can twist them apart. And I've personally never really used them separate. I've just kept them together, so that gives me a 36mm extension. And then on the inside, you have what looks like a metal mount, which I don't think is metal, but Viltrox's website says it is. That feels like some tin-plated plastic or something. So not gonna trust that a whole lot for being super sturdy, but it does a job. And it is not sealed, so if you put this on a sealed lens, it kind of loses the purpose. So when you take the other cap off, you have your electrical contacts right here, all the way through the mount, between both, from the camera to the lens. So that keeps your autofocus, exposure, everything works as it should. And what I've been using this on is my Nikon 105 2.S macro, and it's worked really nice on this. Now the autofocus is slowed down a smidge, but I mean it's still a macro lens, so it's not exactly, you know, pants on fire fast to begin with. But whenever you try to shoot video of macro subjects with this, you can definitely tell that the autofocus is a little bit slower than it should be. And to put these together, I put it on the lens first, so take the lens cap off, and then you have the recessed end, line it up with the white dots, with the white dot on the lens. So here we have the camera, the Z9 with the cap off, line up the white dot with the white dot on the camera, and it fits snug as a bug and works great. It actually doesn't look too bad either. So we're going to have some example photos on the screen here from just single shot, and then we're going to have some focus stacking put on here as well. I did use focus stacking with these, and it worked okay on the tripod with a still subject. So with all that being said, the Viltrox tubes are pretty decent for the price, and it gives you full electrical contacts all the way through, and they work pretty nice. And if you want to pair this with like a diopter to get more magnification, here sometime in the summer I'm going to get one of those and combine it with these Viltrox extension tubes for another video. And I'm pretty excited about that, because I know you can get real close and tight with that setup. So if you'd like these, there's a link in the video in the description for Amazon. Hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy shooting. I'll see you out there.